Good morning. So we woke up early. Today we are going back to Bangalore. Last day here. Last night it rained a lot. It was heavy storms. Pretty scary though. But that's what you get when you stay near the beach. Right now also the sea is pretty turbulent. We cannot get into the water. So that's a bit sad. But still enjoying our stay. And this is where we were staying last night. Breakfast time. That's Nishil doing his morning jog. Rooted to the nature. Oh, very good. Baba Ramdev. That's St. Mary's Island. This year also we missed it. Last year we missed because of COVID. This year we missed because of turbulent sea.
Red alert.
Yeah. I wonder third time if we can see it.
We have to see it. We're not giving up. We're coming back.
St. Mary Island, we are gonna come back for you.
Come back for you.
So we checked out from this property and now we will be going out to the beach, spend some time there, chill out, and then probably have lunch. Hi Danny.
Hi, what are you doing? Touch every rock, Paco. I'm supposed to touch every rock while going through this parkour. Yeah.
All the best.
Yeah.
Awesome. Start.
We are back.
Again.
And we are hungry. We are at Timapa.
What coordination?
क्या कर रहे हो यार? क्या कर रहे हो? Take 32.
Start. जोर से.
We are back. And we are hungry.
अरे किसको हीरो ले लिया मैंने अपनी फिल्म में? Take 57.
जोर से बोलना. Start.
We are back.
We are
And we are hungry. We are at Timapa.
Again.
It's so good. It's mango and strawberry.
मम्मी एवढे
बोट सेप्ट
बोट किधर है?
उडुपी
नहीं बोट किधर है?
इधर है
ये बोट है?
हाँ
अरे
सेप्ट है
वाह। और ये पानी?
हाँ ये वाटर
I would love to lie down in this.
Go both the brothers together.
Very good, Mikey. Okay, go for it. Whoa. So we are going to take a quick stop for ice cream.
Gola.
Gola, sorry, Gola.
This is Malpe Sea Walk.
Where?
Time to head back from the Malpe Sea Walk. We'll go back to the shack. We will go back to the cottage, freshen up and head straight to the railway station. So Nishal, how was the trip? Refreshing. That's the word, I think.
Yeah. Pleasant.
Good break from work. Or no work.
से कुछ काम नहीं है.
Hashtag COVID.
बट 1.5 साल से वर्क फ्रॉम होम और यही चल रहा है. वेकेशन.
Good.
वेकेशन नाम के लिए वेकेशन ही है. देख रहे हैं पैसा दो, सब्सक्राइब बढ़ाओ, सब्सक्राइबर बुलाओ, पैसा आएगा इधर हम लोग को. पैसा ही पैसा होगा. पैसा है, घूम पाएगा हम लोग, खाना खा पाएगा, तो रोटी खिला पाएगा बच्चे लोग को. क्या रहूं क्या असली में. इंडिया में पेट्रियार्की इतना डोमिनेंट है कि जो बिल्ली बना है ना वो भी मर्द है. द मेल कैट. हाइट ऑफ पेट्रियार्की इन इंडिया. नो वेलकम टू इंडिया.
About to rain. A last meal in Blue Shack.
And we are
Blue
happy.
Zone.
We're happy about it.
You're happy to go back?
No, we're saying bye-bye to the shack and we're saying bye to the sea.
Yeah. The sky looks beautiful. Wow. It's time to say bye. So we are at the station going back home.
Yeah.
Girls, how was the trip?
It was great. It was a different trip. I think we did a lot of different things this time. We ate a lot.
We went for this amazing lunch at
Timmappa.
which had like fish meals for $40.
A lot of people. If you're planning to go there, please go in advance because there'll be a queue otherwise. It's very famous.
Is this our train? It's leaving.
That's not us. We're so exhausted. We're going to get into the train and just sleep off.
Alright, that's it for this trip.
Bye.
Bye.